Here's the easiest, and I mean easiest, stock market investing strategy. Literally, all you need is patience, discipline, and well, money. This is investing after all. Here's the strategy. Inside of whatever investing account that you have, look up the ticker symbol VTI. You see, VTI is the Vanguard Total US Stock Market ETF. Think of this basically as a basket of every single stock trading on the US stock market. Now, the reason this strategy is so easy is because you don't even have to worry about what stocks to buy. You're basically just investing in America. And let's be honest, when has America not found a way to make profits? Just saying. Seriously, look at the performance of this thing. It's literally a diagonal line up and to the right. Now, to wrap up the strategy, all you have to do is consistently buy into this every single time you get paid and dollar cost average in. That's it. That's the strategy. I guarantee you that in 5 to 10 years from now, you'll be thanking yourself. Follow for more trading and investing tips.